Watch the ducks just chilling in the snow. That's crazy. They usually go across the street over there to eat, but underneath the pine tree. But this is the first time I've seen a whole flock just chilling in the snow. There they go. Back, 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 back. Damn, I was gonna say, I'm glad I caught that though. That was pretty cool. Oh, there's still like one or two of them under that pine tree. They might come back. I don't think they'll be sitting right there. That's right by the parking lot. I don't think they're gonna be sitting there. They get tired of flying too, guys. All right. See y'all later.